Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we about to get a little southern over here. I'm gonna show you guys how to make southern fried cornbread, or how we like to call it, hoecakes. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here, we have some yellow cornmeal. We have some all-purpose flour here. We use some grated cheddar cheese. Now, guys, most of the time, people don't use cheddar cheese in their fried cornbread, but I'm gonna put a twist in mine and put some cheese in my cornbread. You never can go wrong with cheese. Right here, we have buttermilk, egg, baking powder, baking soda, salt, sugar, and some melted butter. So that's all you're gonna need. Let's get into it. All right, to get started, we're gonna take our cornmeal, we're gonna add it here to this bowl, along with our flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and our sugar. And we're just gonna do a good mix like this. All right, next we're gonna add our cheese here. Let's hope this comes out good with this cheese in it. We're gonna mix that cheese in there. Like I say, you can't go wrong with cheese. Cheese cornbread, you know that's a southern thing. Next, we're gonna add our egg, our melted butter, and our buttermilk. And we're gonna get this mixed in, get it well combined. All right, guys, it's just that easy. Now let's move over to our stove. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna heat up our pan. We're gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of canola oil. Now guys, if you have bacon grease, that works well too, man. I'm telling you, that bacon grease, matter of fact, it adds much more flavor to it, but I don't have any bacon grease at the moment. I'll spread that all around here. So guys, what I'm going to do while this is heating up, I like to use these babies right here because it gives shape to the cornbread for presentation purposes, but of course you don't really need these. I'll leave a link to this in the video description below. That way, if you guys want to purchase it, I like to use this for making pancakes and things like that. It's really convenient, so your pancakes and things are all the same size. As that oil heats up, you're gonna put about a tablespoon, about 2 tablespoons of your batter, maybe 3, depends on how big you want them. Start off with about 2 tablespoons here. And we're gonna let these babies cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. All right, so now we're gonna flip these babies over. We're gonna remove this. You see how it holds its shape like that? We're gonna take a spatula, flip it over on that side. Guys, take a look at that. See how beautiful that is? We're gonna let that go for another 2 to 3 minutes, not 5 minutes. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good. Guys, take a look at this. Man, that is awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's look at the other side of it. Man, this is awesome. Great. So we're gonna go ahead and get these babies removed. I'm gonna set them in a warmer. That way we can finish up the remaining cornbread. All right, guys, we're finishing up our last batch, so we're gonna go ahead and get these babies removed. All right, now we're gonna head over to our cutting board, get into the final presentation, and jump into quality control. All right, let's take a look at our fried cornbread. Man, look at that beautifully golden, crispy sides. Hey, we're gonna go ahead and get this baby plated up, and we're gonna jump into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Easy fried cornbread or Southern style hoecakes, whatever you choose. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Drop a comment, let me know what you think about these babies. Let's jump into quality control. All right, so it's quality control. We're gonna bring that food to the front of the congregation. Man, look at them, man, look at these hoecakes, fried cornbread, man. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and give this baby a try. I'm gonna put this plate down right here. That baby's soft, fluffy. I say this, I love the fluffiness, it's soft. It's not dry, but I don't taste the cheese. I don't know what happened to the cheese. Maybe I didn't put enough of it. I don't know. But hey, you could definitely leave it out. It was optional. I just wanted to try something different. I could sit down and eat that whole plate, dip it in some butter, run my cholesterol up. So until then, guys, y'all already know what this is. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.